Hello, and welcome to this training video on eWORK Online. eWORK Online is an interactive tool for exploring CAREX Canada's occupational exposure estimates to known and suspected carcinogens. Results show the number of workers exposed to these carcinogens nationally, by province, by industry, and by occupation for our 2016 estimates. It can answer queries such as, what are the top carcinogen exposures in a particular industry, such as construction? What are the main industries exposed to a particular carcinogen, such as asbestos? What are the carcinogen exposures for a particular occupation, such as carpenters? And how many workers are exposed to each carcinogen in a particular province, such as British Columbia? Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through eWORK Online and its features. On the homepage, you will find results for the total number of Canadian workers exposed to known or suspected carcinogens in 2016. You can learn more about how we estimated occupational exposures by clicking on Occupational Approach. Looking at the table on the homepage, you can click on any of the carcinogens listed to be directed to CAREX Canada's profile for that substance. Results are available by sex. Note that the total number of workers exposed may not always equal the sum of exposed men and women. This is because Statistics Canada randomly rounds labor force values, which form the basis of our estimates, to multiples of 5 for confidentiality purposes. You can also view estimates by level of exposure where available. To view the estimates by both sex and by level of exposure, you can click on the expand icon. You can sort data columns by clicking on the small arrows beside the variable of interest. Some of our estimates use a modified approach to assess occupational exposure, and these are designated by the exclamation point icons. Click on the icon to learn more about how these estimates differ. You have the option of downloading the data included in this table by clicking Download this table. This download feature is an option available on all the tables included within this tool. If you wish to explore the results in even more detail than is provided in this tool, you can download the Excel version of eWORK, which features more complex filters and allows for more in-depth queries. You can download eWORK Excel by clicking Download the complete dataset. However, there's considerable detail included in the web-based version of the tool. You can choose to explore the data by industry, occupation, and province. When you click on the Industry tab, you have the option of searching by carcinogen or by industry. To learn more about the industry codes used, please visit the Statistics Canada website. This link provides more information about the classification system and how industries are defined. When searching by carcinogen, you can select the carcinogen of interest. You can use the drop-down menu or type in the carcinogen of interest. The results for two-digit industry groups will appear. For each of these two-digit industry codes, you can look at the breakdown of exposures by the more detailed four-digit industry groups. You can also pull a table of exposure by four-digit industry codes overall by selecting four-digit industry results. When searching by industry, you have the option of searching by two-digit or four-digit codes. Again, you can use the drop-down menu to select the industry of interest or you can enter it into the text box. The Occupation tab is similar to the Industry one. You have the option of searching by carcinogen or by occupation. However, results are only presented by 4-digit occupation code. To learn more about the occupation codes used, please visit the Statistics Canada website. This link provides more information about the classification system and how occupations are defined. Finally, when you're on the Province tab, first select the province of interest. You will have the option of viewing all the occupational estimates available for that entire province. But for that specific province, you can also search by industry or by occupation, similar to the pages previously discussed. Thanks for tuning in to this training video. We hope it was useful. To further explore CAREX Canada's research and resources, you can visit our website where we feature our profiles, estimates, and other resources, including our exposure summaries. You can email us at info@carexcanada.ca. You can also connect with us on Twitter.